Welcome. This video will touch on features of ICC's web labeling and Labelync software, working in conjunction with Siegel Scientific's Bartender software that will streamline your company's GHS labeling and SDS management requirements. Thank you for your interest. If you have any questions or would be interested in a personalized demonstration, please do not hesitate to contact Dan Albert, System Sales Director at 905-890-7231 or at dalbert@thecompliancecenter.com. Although Bartender provides advanced features for making labels, many labels are easy to make just by dragging and dropping. Most of this label's layout was made by dragging and dropping. These are the parts of the label made by dragging and dropping: the product name, the English GHS text, the Chinese GHS text, the GHS symbols, the shipping description, and the DOT primary hazard class symbol. Let's be a label designer and create this format right now. First, I'll go to Page Setup. I'll choose to print on legal-sized paper in landscape orientation, with a single label taking up the entire size of the sheet. Now we can do some dragging and dropping. On the left are what we call components. Components are like building blocks that we can drag and drop to more easily create a format. I'll find the product name component and drag and drop it. Next, I'll find the English GHS text component and drag and drop that. And now in the same way, I'll drag the rest of my components onto my format. For most of these components, I can resize them, and I can also move them to wherever I want them to print on the label. And finally, I'm going to use Bartender's other features to add text, lines, and colorful boxes. Here's some fast-forward video of me finishing up my format. There, I've finished my format, mostly just by dragging and dropping components. Now I'll hit Save, and then we can use the format to print labels. Once again in Print, when I select my format that I just created, I can see it in the preview. I'm going to print it with Tollyween. And this is what our finished label looks like using the format we had just created.